Hello, my name is Johnny. Welcome to another World War II 172 scale video. Today we're going to have another kit review of a Caesar's miniature model, a Krupp Protze truck. If you'd like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, reply, and share. We're going to go over it all. And then I also have the same vehicle that's already pre-made, a die-cast one, so we can look at that, compare it to what we're going to look at in the parts. We'll look at that in a little bit. If you'd like, please, let's take a look. The Krupp Protze, the KFC69 towing truck, one crew included. This is a nice Caesar's miniature kit. They don't make that many vehicles, at least not in this scale. They make a few, and they make a lot of figure sets. There's the box. Same on the other side. Let's see, we'll look at the instructions first and then the sprues, but first take a look at what they give you for the decals. Let's see, they go like that, I think. Some neat ones. There's, I believe that's the walking bear for one of the divisions. That one's neat with the, looks like a flower design. There's another one with the like bears on it. So some neat units. Forget all the ones that they're supposed to be, and then a lot of the symbol type things that they put on the vehicles, and then a choice of a couple of license plate numbers. And as you see here, it comes with rubber tires. That's the bag all the parts come with. We'll look at the parts in a second. Let's look at the the sprues in a second on the part. And let's look at the instructions. There's the information about the vehicle. So this was used early on. They started doing it in the 30s. 7,000 of these were produced. Sure, they used them towards all the way to the end of the war. I don't think they were making them up to the end of the war, because usually I see these in photos earlier on. 3 sprues, the 1 driver. Not that many parts when you look at it. There you go. That's what I don't like on truck and car vehicles, all of the teeny tiny parts that you have to deal with, the undercarriage and so forth. Getting this on there to stay, getting it all straight. I enjoy making tanks better, but to have a complete army, you need all kinds of vehicles. You need your transports. Here's the close-up on the storage unit. You'll see that nicely on the built one. There, they've got the picks on it. The built one has that. And where you can paint, colors, and decal placements. There's a better look at those symbols that they use there for their transport, the choice of units. That's very nice. Let's start looking at these sprues. Let's look at this one. Yeah, it's the kind of parts I don't like putting on. Nice detail on that seat back. Cushiony type material. Alright, so very clean looking sprues. And getting all of those in there for the controls. Cutting these off, not easy. Figure. Shovels. Flip that over. I have these nice backgrounds here. I have a white and also black, depending on what I'm showing. Helps show everything off nicely. And see, there's his helmet put on. That's nice, a big unit like that. Picks. I believe that might be ammunition stowage. Some more tools. Close up on that. Be nice if you paint that and weather that, and you can see a lot of detail. That's the kit. Let's roll this one in. This one, I believe, is an Altaya vehicle. Didn't have the soldiers in it. I added that. You can see this where it was screwed into the case. And look at this, a nice gray with the chocolate brown, which was very early camouflage that they had. There's some of the symbols, license plate. The light. It's neat how they store the extra wheels there. It's a tight fit to get in. Had to get some type of somewhat of a driver in there. There's a nice passenger. You got some I think that's rifles being stored there. There's those picks. Storage. Very nice. They go on the back. Of course, this one, when you make it, the wheels aren't gonna fit. Here's a look at the tires and the tires there. So very nice. This is the Krupp Protze. So over 7,000 of these were made. Okay, until next time, more World War II 1/72 scale. Thank you for watching, everyone.